Hi, we're going to take a look at the layer structure of a Photoshop file that autoRetouch outputs. So as you can see, I have a workflow consisting of the remove background component, add shadows and set in canvas. And when I run an image through this workflow, then I will get this Photoshop file out of it. And as you can see, each layer that this file consists of corresponds to one component that is sitting in this workflow. We have several options here. For example, if I want to include the original input image, I can do that by enabling this setting include input image. And the image I get out of that now looks like this. So the lowest layer is my input layer in the original size that autoRetouch processes images in. Notice this layer is smaller than the input layer, and the canvas size is always determined by the size of the biggest layer, so you always see all of your image content.